time for you to realize life is very precious. Life is strong and helpful in your life cycle. It's time to rebuild your life. Emotional rebuilding your life. You gotta rebuild that life and start off with a new life, a new way of thinking. Start fresh. Don't go down that slope. Move up. Uplift yourself. Feel the strength and power of Reiki. Feel it. Can you feel it? Can you feel the power of Reiki? I want you to feel the energy that comes from there, then goes to there. Feel the strength. Feel it. Feel the energy that you have stored. Smell that. Can you smell that? That's rose. And some of you, well, one person out there, thank you. I did send you the healing. It's like you have sent cedarwood and lavender. Yeah. I'm not promoting the product. I'm just, these are a little better. But we all need all these essential oils. They all have their properties to heal, soothe, relax you down, and keep you mellow. All this to help rebuild your life. A lot of you have to rebuild your life after being hurt. Especially with emotional unavailability. You really don't want to go down that road. But sometimes you can't help it. And that's very severe. Smell? Cedarwood. I want you to feel the strength. Oh, that one's lavender. We need that. But you have to times when you have to rebuild the life. It could be anything. That was one episode. Sometimes you want to start a fresh new life. You're going to rebuild your life. And you need healing along the way to do so. Oh, by the way, thank you all. We have reached over 8,000. Thank you. We're going on to 9,000 and keep going. Reiki with Albert. We have a lot of sessions coming. More sessions every day. I'll put something in the community tab if anybody wants to suggest certain things. But remember, only certain things can be done. Not everything can be done. Some stuff is very traumatic. Smell this. This will help you. Yeah. keep you neutralized. I want you to feel reborn. I want you to feel alive. I want you to feel relaxed. I want you to feel a stress relief, anxiety relief, tension, migraines, headaches relief. You know, these things are what you go through every day. Headaches, migraines, stress, negativity that floats around. Sometimes you can't help it, that negative. So, rebuild your life with emotional rebuilding of your life. This is rose quartz, emotional crystal to help heal you. Use it on your face. So, it's very cold. Take a deep breath now. Again. Feel the power of Reiki. Feel the strength and the numbers. You're not alone. Whatever you do, if you're going to rebuild your life, emotionally, rebuild your life. Rebuild it. Build it into a better life. Start off fresh. I bet you a lot of you want to go back in the past, fix whatever it is, and come back in the future and see yourself living in the way you want to be lived. Happy and at peace. You could be at peace. It takes time. I live in peace. I try to make things bother me. But there's too much out there. And sometimes you can't watch all the things. Watch things that make you happy. You know? Watch things, nature. If you're into nature, watch it. If you're into sports, whatever it is that you like, it's your life. You make your life the way you want. But you can rebuild your life and start over fresh. Because a lot of you go through a lot of traumatic experiences. And it's tough. But you can overcome it. Like I said, don't hate nobody. Write a list. Yeah. When you write a list, get the number 2 pencil. Get the pencil. And you write everybody's name down. These are the people that you hate. Now you're going to forgive them and don't hate them no more. But you don't have nothing to do with them. You don't want them in your life. They might have hurt you. They might have traumatized you. And you want to... You're not burning nothing. You just have nothing to do with them. Those that you want completely and not to think about them anymore, then you would write a piece of paper. You would have to use... it's better if you use one of those fountain pens. You dip it in the ink and you write it on parchment paper or paper that is I don't have it in front of me, but and then you write the name, or you take a photo and you cut it. So a lot of you, when you break up, you take a photo. Yeah, because you're rebuilding your life. You want to start off fresh. You don't want those people coming back in your life. Don't mention their name. Never mention that person that hurt you. Don't mention, because you're calling out to them, and they, oh, someone's calling me. You don't want them back in your life. You want to rebuild your life and start off fresh. You want to start off feeling good about yourself. You have the healing. Remember, you could take and tap into the ancient power of Reiki. All the ancient Reiki masters and grandmasters come and surround us and to help you overcome and take on the new challenge of rebuilding your life. I send you the light. I send you the healing light to rebuild your life right now. Take this light in this session to help you. Watch the session over and over again until you feel your life is rebuilt. You'll feel a tingling feeling throughout your body. Mm, 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 mm. Make the heavens come down to you. Make the sun shine upon you. Close your eyes. Open your third eye and see what I see. Feel what I feel. Live how I live. You can do it too. Be at peace with your inner self. Be at peace with your outer self. Be at peace, completely in peace and harmony. Live at peace. Meditate. Do yoga, whatever it is that makes you feel good. And remember, it's your new life that you're starting. Your emotional life is healing. But it has no negative. You just feel positive. You feel uplifted off the ground. You feel it now. Do you understand what this is? You feel uplifted off the ground. You feel it. You feel uplifted. Take that energy. Like a male, like a male, like a male, like a male. Sugar ray, sugar ray, sugar ray, sugar ray. Seki E, seki E, seki E, seki E. You are important. You are loved. You are cherished. Rose quartz, emotional crystal. If you feel emotion, grab the crystal. Hold on to the crystal and say, help me feel better. Help me feel alive. Help me. Talk to the crystal. After you program and neutralize it, and it's rice in 48 hours, take out that crystal and program it to help you with your emotional state of mind. Help you. If you're not, come and watch me, and we'll work together and help you restore your life. Rebuild your life. Make your life better. Make your life wonderful. Thank you for watching this session. If you found this session helpful in your life, subscribe. As we are now going on to 9,000. But I want you to subscribe to join us in that journey. We are on a journey right now. Every day is a journey. It's a new beginning. You feel good here. My energy surrounds you, fills you. You hear me in your mind. The humming. The crystal bowls vibrating your mind. The tuning forks for chakras vibrate in your mind. You hear the crystals, all to help you feel good. Thank you, everyone, for making us hit 8,000. Take care, everybody. For now. Oh, yes. We have down below, Reiki with Albert wish list. Now we have things for Reiki and something else. Yeah. My birthday's coming up next month. So, yeah. September. You'll know when it is, because I'll make an announcement. Now, there might not be no sessions that day, but you'll have sessions, because I'll pre-make them. Okay? That day I'll take off. But don't worry, it's coming up. But you'll know it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.